protein treatment for your skin.
Yeah, it'll be all good for you, honey. Trust me.
Oh, look, I'm staring and waiting.
When are you gonna do it? When are you gonna do it?
Why isn't it showing up on your little screen?
You gotta press the camera button.
Oh, here we go.
Feels like poop.
Good, Nikita.
Dad, you want to get some? Yeah, come on.
Good, Nikita.
There you go, Spaz, right here.
Hey, come on, you're missing a hole over here.
Spaz, come here. Look, Spaz, come here. Come on,
All
buddy.
right, I'm gonna zoom in on Laura's face real quick.
Hey, now there's still peanut butter.
Come on, Nikita. There's still peanut butter right there, baby. Nikita, right here.
All over the face. Keep on cleaning.
Should put it across his lips, too.
You already got my lips.
Nikita, right there, baby. Right there.
Look, Nikita, there's still more. Look.
She's stepping on your hair.
Oh, an unusual punch.
And I'm recording it.
Fucking family.
Nikita, forehead.
Forehead, baby. Right there, baby. Right there, baby. Nikita. She's gotta get some water.
It's sticking to my mouth.
It's on your hair, too.
Right there, baby. Right there. Nikita. Nikita, right here.
Hair.
No, she got it in your hair.
Oh, shut up, Shane.
Forehead, Nikita, forehead.
Oh, that's my eyeball. Hey, get out of my hair. Good dog, good dog. Get out of my hair. You move.
She's like, okay, come down.
You have officially made out with a female dog.
That's not the first time.
How do you feel?
That's not the first time.
Do we have that on video? Yeah, we do.
Oh, yeah. So, Laura, how do you feel?
Really sticky.
Hey, baby.
My eyeball. What the hell?
So, how do you feel about Nikita and you? You guys have gotten to a new level on relationship, don't you think?
It's disgusting.
Nah, I got it on me. Yeah, turn that up for me, right?
Here. With she loves me, dog. Well. Now I'll never have to beg her for kisses.
Alright, I'll let her go so she can wash herself up.
All right, Laura, you are now officially free and